Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Woodworking Kits is probably one of the most rewarding activities for kids, fostering creativity and practical skills. These kits offer a fantastic opportunity for children to engage in hands-on projects, learning about tools, and the satisfaction of building something tangible. From simple birdhouses to more complex models, woodworking kits provide a fun and educational experience, encouraging kids to explore their potential and develop a sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Tow Truck, Birdhouse, Dump Truck. Introducing the Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This amazing kit is perfect for kids and adults. It provides a fun and educational way to learn about woodworking. Inside, you'll find real wood pieces, screws, a screwdriver, paint, paintbrushes, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to get started is included in this set. Each project comes in its own bag, with clear, step-by-step instructions. Kids can easily build these models on their own, fostering independence and creativity. This kit introduces kids to woodworking with child-safe materials. The wood is pre-sanded and cut, making it easy to assemble. They can also paint the models after building them. This isn't just a glue-together project, it's the real deal. It uses real wood and real tools, allowing kids to experience woodworking like adults do. They'll love using the screwdriver and screws. Each completed project is approximately 9 by 5 by 5 inches. This DIY woodworking set makes a great gift and is the perfect family project. Get yours today. What we like. This kit uses real wood and tools, providing a genuine woodworking experience. It includes multiple projects, offering variety and sustained engagement. If you're looking for a kit that introduces kids to authentic woodworking, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want their children to experience the real deal, not just a craft project. What people say. Nice wood and hardware. The directions are simple exploded parts diagrams. They even throw in a set of paints and small screwdriver. Number 4. SparkJump Candy Dispenser Wood Building Kit. Looking for a fun activity to do with your family? This kit is a crafting adventure that will help you forge unforgettable memories. Assemble it together and watch your family's bond grow stronger. This wooden building kit offers a perfect blend of STEM and creativity. It's ideal for kids ages 4 to 8, 8 to 10, and even older. It encourages hands-on STEM learning. Tired of screens? This wooden craft sparks real conversations and laughter while building memories together. It's more than a gift, it's a chance to create lasting moments. Ignite creativity and ignite conversations. This woodworking kit isn't just a craft, it's a catalyst for laughter, chat, and genuine connections. Spice up family time with a dash of DIY delight. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just a day to indulge in creativity, this wood project is the secret ingredient for heartwarming moments and limitless fun. Get ready to craft and connect like never before. What we like. This kit focuses on STEM learning and family bonding. It encourages hands-on STEM learning and sparks real conversations. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity that brings the family together, this kit is ideal. It's a great way to create lasting memories while building something fun. What people say. He loves building things and this was the perfect 30-minute distraction from him and loves that he can keep using it for his gumballs. I didn't use gumballs, just small candies, and she said it even gives out the perfect amount of candy. My grandson loved putting it together. Number 3. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Military Vehicle, Excavator, Bird Feeder. Introducing the Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This kit is designed for both kids and adults. It provides a fun and educational experience for everyone. The kit includes 3 exciting projects, a wooden military vehicle, an excavator, and a bird feeder. Each project comes with its own set of real wood pieces and tools. This isn't just a glue-together project. It uses real wood and real tools, including screws and a screwdriver. Kids will enjoy using the tools just like adults do. Each project comes with its own bag of pieces and a clear, step-by-step instruction manual. The pieces are pre-sanded and cut to fit, making it easy to build. Once completed, each project is approximately 9 by 5 by 5 inches. This woodworking set makes a great gift and is the perfect family project. You can even paint it after building. What we like. This kit uses real wood and tools, providing a genuine woodworking experience. It includes multiple projects, offering variety and sustained engagement. If you're looking for a kit that introduces kids to authentic woodworking, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want their children to experience the real deal, not just a craft project. What people say. Easy to put together and durable. Easy to assemble and just complex enough to keep our toddler interested but not get bored. Great little project for kids. It's as well built and great for the beginner carpenter. Number 2. Kraftic Woodworking Kit, Military Jet, Race Car, Tractor Trailer. This amazing kit lets you build a military jet, a race car, and a tractor trailer. It's a fun and educational way to introduce kids to woodworking. They'll love creating these models. The kit includes real wood pieces, screws, and a screwdriver. It's not just glue, it's the real deal. Kids can experience woodworking just like adults. Each project comes with its own bag of parts and a clear instruction manual. The pieces are pre-sanded and cut, so it's easy to follow along. They can build completely on their own. The kit includes paint and paintbrushes, so they can make their projects colorful. It's a great way to encourage creativity and personalize their creations. This woodworking kit makes a great gift for kids and adults. It's also a perfect family project, providing hours of fun and learning. The average size of each completed project is approximately 9 × 5 × 5 inches. What we like. This kit uses real wood and tools, providing a genuine woodworking experience. It includes multiple projects, offering variety and sustained engagement. If you're looking for a kit that introduces kids to authentic woodworking, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want their children to experience the real deal, not just a craft project. What people say. He absolutely loved building and painting the models. He worked independently for the mist part and was fully engaged. This kit kept my 4-year-old busy for hours. It was easy to assemble with a little help from me. Number 1. SparkJump Junior Birdhouse Kit. This birdhouse kit is a fantastic way to create lasting memories. It's a chance for real conversations and laughter, perfect for all ages to enjoy together. Unlike other craft kits, this one uses real wood, allowing you to build real things. Designed for ages 5 and up with adult supervision, it helps develop practical skills. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with cedar wood pieces, paint, brushes, nails, glue, eye hooks, a perch, sandpaper, and clear instructions. This kit offers more than just fun, it's a tool for bonding and skill building. It nurtures the young woodworker's spirit and inspires creativity. The kit is backed by quality and customer satisfaction. Join the community of happy creators and dive into this kid's woodworking kit with confidence. What we like. This kit is designed to build memories together and foster practical life skills. It comes with a complete crafting set, including paint and brushes. If you are looking for a kit that encourages bonding and skill building, this is the one. It's perfect for families who enjoy outdoor activities and want to create something beautiful together. What people say. Pretty easy to assemble. Everything fit well. Took about an hour to assemble. All the parts were in the packages and the instruction were good. This is a great kit and was perfect for my 7-year-old. We did have to pre-drill the holes for him to drive the nails into, but other than that it was easy to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.